everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today's video about new makeup release by Kaja Dewy Bar Blush and Lip Balm. This price is $25. A hydrating blush and lip balm multi-stick that effortlessly melts onto cheeks and lips to create the perfect flushed and dewy look. Color Grapefruit Gelato Dusty Rose. Apple extract improves the appearance of skin texture and tone. Green Tangerine extract strengthens the skin's moisture barrier. Color Big Smoothie Dusty Mauve. Green Tangerine extract strengthens the skin's moisture barrier Vitha, a blend of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid which moisturizes and brightens the look of skin. Color Strawberry Sorbet True Pink. Vitha blend of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid which moisturizes and brightens the look of skin. Color Peach Cobbler Soft Coral Peach. Swipe and blend onto cheeks for a dewy pop of color. Swipe onto lips for moisturized and a pop of color. If you liked today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.